Looking for a speaker in the health and fitness industry? Meet Ari Gronich, the performance therapist.
My name is Ari Gronich. I am known as the performance therapist. Performance therapy is a technique that I developed in order to take high-level athletes from injuries to gold medals and world championships. People have issues with performance from athletes doing their competition, but also to people getting out of a car, walking all the way to the grocery store in the parking lot.
Ari Gronich is the founder of the Performance Therapy Academy, a medical exercise innovator specialist, a national CEC-approved educator, an international speaker, and a best-selling author.
Your guide is your mentor, your teacher, the person who's done it before you, the person who's created what you want to create.
In my third year in practice, I had over 5,000 hours of training, which is equivalent to an entire doctorate program. I've taken all of the myriad of modalities that I've used, put them together in a way that's pretty comprehensive. So it incorporates a whole body, whole mind, whole spirit viewpoint.
Ari Gronich helps your audience develop new skills and experience new thought paradigms that will get them thinking and keep them on their toes.
And that's what we do, is I help to train the trainers, train the people who are making a difference in the world.
Ari Gronich is one of the most gifted practitioners I have ever met.
Ari Gronich had our participants up out of their seat and really implementing and self-actualizing his tools.
Ari Gronich can take you physically to your next level.
We train the body to heal the body.
Book Ari for your next event by going to achievehealthusa.com. To get started on your video and digital media projects, contact us today.